When your cat closes their eyes, it may seem like a simple act of relaxation, but it can carry a range of meanings that go beyond just being sleepy. Cats are creatures of subtlety and communication, often expressing emotions and conveying messages through body language and behavior. Understanding why a cat might close its eyes can help you interpret its mood and strengthen the bond between you and your pet. While the behavior might be linked to tiredness, there are other, more nuanced reasons that your cat could close its eyes, each revealing a different aspect of its personality or emotional state. One of the most common reasons cats close their eyes is because they are feeling safe and relaxed. When a cat closes its eyes, it's often a sign that it feels comfortable in its environment and with the people or animals around it. Cats are natural predators, and as such, they are always alert to their surroundings. Closing their eyes is a way for them to lower their guard and enjoy a sense of security. When your cat closes its eyes while you're petting it or when it's lounging nearby, it's typically a sign that it trusts you and feels comfortable in your presence. It's also a sign that your cat has reached a state of relaxation where it can let down its defenses, knowing it is safe in its environment. Another interpretation of a cat closing its eyes is as a sign of affection. Cats often communicate their feelings with subtle gestures, and one of these gestures is the act of slowly closing their eyes while looking at you. This behavior, often referred to as a slow blink, is a feline way of showing trust and affection. When a cat blinks slowly at you, it's often seen as the cat giving you a form of kitty kiss. It's a way of showing that it feels comfortable with you and is not threatened. If your cat closes its eyes in your presence and then opens them slowly, it's essentially telling you that it feels safe and is fond of you. If you mimic this slow blink and your cat responds positively, it can reinforce your bond and improve the communication between you and your pet. For some cats, closing their eyes is also a sign of contentment. When a cat feels completely at ease and satisfied with its current situation, it may close its eyes as a way of expressing that it is enjoying the moment. This could be after a satisfying meal, a comfortable nap, or a gentle petting session. When a cat curls up in a cozy spot and closes its eyes, it's often an indication that it's feeling peaceful and content. This is particularly evident when a cat purrs while its eyes are closed, as the purring further indicates that the cat is in a state of comfort and relaxation. The act of closing its eyes signals that it's content in its surroundings, much like how humans might close their eyes while unwinding after a long day. However, not all instances of eye closing are entirely positive. Cats may also close their eyes due to discomfort, pain, or stress. If your cat closes its eyes tightly or squints frequently, it could be trying to protect its eyes from an irritant, injury, or infection. A cat that is feeling unwell may squint or close its eyes as a way of shielding them from light or from something that is bothering them. This could be indicative of an eye infection, conjunctivitis, or even something as simple as dust or debris in the eye. If your cat is also showing signs of redness, discharge, or pawing at its eyes, it's important to consult a veterinarian to rule out any health issues. In some cases, a cat might close its eyes in response to a stressful or overwhelming situation. If your cat is feeling anxious or fearful, it may close its eyes as a way to retreat inwardly, avoiding the stressor around them. This is often seen in cats that are unsure about a new environment, a new person, or an unfamiliar situation. It's a way for the cat to block out the perceived threat and feel more in control of the situation. If the eye-closing behavior is accompanied by other signs of stress, such as hiding, crouching, or tail flicking, it's essential to address the source of anxiety and create a calm, reassuring environment for your cat. In addition to these emotional reasons, cats may also close their eyes simply because they are tired. Just like humans, cats need sleep and rest to function properly, and their eyes may naturally close when they are getting ready to nap or sleep. Cats are known for sleeping a lot during the day, and it's not uncommon to see them close their eyes as they prepare to take a nap. Cats are crepuscular animals, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk, and they often take naps throughout the day and night. If your cat is closing its eyes in a relaxed posture and appears to be settling in for a rest, it's likely just following its natural sleep cycle. The eyes are one of the most expressive parts of a cat's body, and their behavior can reveal a lot about their mood and well-being. When a cat closes its eyes in a calm and content manner, it's often a sign of trust, relaxation, and affection. However, if the behavior is accompanied by other signs of discomfort or distress, it could indicate a health issue or emotional strain. Understanding the context in which your cat is closing its eyes will help you better interpret its feelings and needs. Whether your cat is showing affection, expressing contentment, or simply taking a well-deserved nap, eye closing is a powerful form of communication in the feline world. By observing these subtle cues, you can deepen your connection with your cat and provide the best care possible to ensure its health and happiness.